Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to Lurid Life and Loving Radio Scanners. Hello, welcome to the final day of the week of me getting ready to go back to the Excel Center. And I gotta tell you guys, I am so ready to go back to the Excel Center. I'm ready for a good week. I'm ready to go there and look around at the different family members and just thank them for all of their support. Plus also I'm looking forward to is that in 5 weeks after next week, I got until I graduate from the Excel Center. I'm really excited about that too. Plus, plus also looking forward to doing some different kinds of YouTube videos whenever I graduate. I'm also going to show you guys a lot of maturity. I'm going to be sending some emails out to different businesses to see if they allow filming. Plus also wherever I go, I'm going to make sure that place allows filming. If it doesn't, I'm going to tell you guys after that video and tell you guys how I thought about that video and what I thought about going there. So there's two things that I think I have learned since I've been there at the Excel Center. So the first thing that I learned is that I gotta write everything in a business email format to send out to different people that is going to help me. Plus also I'm looking forward to is after a couple of weeks and after me doing some filming, I'm going to maybe during this cruise coming up, I'm just going to film only once during that entire filming series, and I'm going to let you guys know after about what's going to happen. Plus also, I just feel really proud of myself about this YouTube channel. I just feel really influenced on this YouTube channel. I feel really just grateful for it. And I also want to thank you guys for your generous support on this YouTube channel because part of this YouTube channel, I do most of the research, just to give you guys a heads up. Also if I go to several different places, if I go check out different places with their radio scanners, I be careful if I go there and check out their different areas of their remote areas. I think that's really careful. Plus also there's 4 different areas, 4 different areas that has so much radio scanner stuff that I think is really kind of interesting. And also looking around at the several different radio feeds, there is so much stuff that I can even listen to. Some of the areas I go to, going to Sam's Club, going to Menards, I try to listen to their radio frequencies but sometimes I have a very hard time listening to them. Plus, I got their radio frequency, so what the heck? That's the thing that's on my mind. So, also like looking around like at so much like different stuff, we got like so much more like different radio robotics. We got different stuff on that, which I feel really excited about. Let's just show you guys what I'm watching right now. I'm currently watching one of my favorite YouTubers right now. His name is Kyle Pilo. And this guy does a good job. So, also,
my sister's coming down. I know you guys like to see my sister. It's always more exciting when my family's here for sure.
So, also like looking forward to like once I graduate, I'm gonna have more stuff that is going on like through my life, which I feel really excited about. I get to get me a volunteer job, which I might get one, which I feel really excited about. I might be looking forward to on helping some people out.
So nice in February, but I don't know. I honestly don't know, and I'm honestly scared because I really wanted to.
Plus, I'm also looking forward to like going in February, just to show you guys like at the end of that month, like what is my deal like with doing radio frequencies and like looking around at that stuff. But the reason why I like to use radio frequencies and stuff and like to look around at that, it's just a simple thing that I like to do. And also, you guys like to see that because seeing in my last video, their Forest Ridge Apartments, I did a video like that video I showed you guys was just me doing a radio scanner video and just showing you guys like what's going on in that area. Well, just to let you guys know, there is like so much like different stuff happening, and like I got to like sometimes there's like some radio frequencies and like different stuff that I got to do and make sure it's safe for me. Because if I like take my radio scanner to like, let's just say, to a port and I don't know what their radio frequencies are, and they don't tell me, and that's kind of awkward. And I know that that's part that's part of their policy, and I know. And also, Walt Disney World has their own radio scanner problem. They are not doing radio scanners right now. They are using a Nextel push-to-talk, which I think that's almost like their French Lick. Like also their French Lick. French Lick has like so much like different opportunities. They have a kids fest, they have a great hotel, they have a great convention center, and they also have a really great people that work there. Now I met somebody there which was really nice, and he was really honestly like one of the bestest people that I got to know. And his name is Dean Blackburn. And that guy was like so very nice. They just showed me their radio scanner, their walkie-talkies, and I showed him Like that walkie-talkie over there, that DM1701, I did not even have it. I was just using my iPhone. Or like some also, which I think it's really just kind of okay. And like looking around, like at the different problems they have here in the United States, and that's like one of the problems. So I hope you guys are understanding this, like coming from my end. There has been like so much different changes in the years with radio scanners, and I just hope you guys have a wonderful night. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button, ding that notification bell, because by the middle of February, I want to try to get up to 125 subscribers, and I'm currently at 118. And I need your guys' help. Alright, guys, that's it. Have a great day, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow. Maybe from a new location. I don't know.